So this right here, this whole thing is rakija right here. That is made here in Bosnia, homemade rakija. Koliko je ovdje ima rakije?
34 litra.
34 liters of rakija here.
I want to smell it, okay? No smell.
You don't smell?
Not a plum. The one
Yeah, it smells a little bit. You see the alcohol? You can smell it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, you see?
But pears, they're expensive, and people make them only for house. And some.
So my dad was on the front lines down in Celic, which is about 15 minutes from here. And he was in a trench with 5 other guys. And a grenade or a bomb hit right in the middle of him. And it threw him 4 feet, which is... Koliko je 4? Nije feet, 4 metra, 4 meters.
Okay, right?
Koliko je to?
Yes.
12 feet. So it threw him, the bomb, it has 5 other people around him. The bomb threw him 12 feet, and he didn't hear for a month after that. All 5 of the people with him died. After he got up, there wasn't a single scratch on him. So, all right, here's the taste test.
Oh, is that?
The taste test.
Taste.
Is it the same?
Test new. Oh, this is new? Yes. Test.
Room temperature. That's the perfect way of drinking it.
Oh,
It's only
you need to go in a
5:40
fridge.
a.m. in Phoenix right now.
Oh shit. It is good.
Oh, 5:40. Okay.
Hold on. Me testing professional. Professional, a ver.
For what?
We didn't do for Italian.
For my ears. Oh, for your ears.
It is good. If I like it, it's good.
Hold on.
Such pieces you got naučiti.
Aftertaste.
Hold on.
Oh, this is the main test right here. He has to wash his face with it. Yeah.
No.
No.
2 days. After 2 days.
It does have a sugar in it.
Oh, really? I had to go get mine fixed. They do it differently.
So, sad ćemo kazati na očima koliko ima gradi, sigurno.
That means it's good rakija right there. So we're here at Mrkaljevic Bazeni, which is Mrkaljevic pools. There's a huge public pool here. You have to pay a fee to get in, a very small fee, but there's also restaurants here. And we heard about this Mrkaljevic restaurant that actually serves really good food and a lot of options. So this is where we're taking these guys for their first restaurant dining experience here in Bosnia. How's your Preminger beer? Good, right?
Yeah, very good.
This is really good beer. And it's
The next one is gonna be Heineken.
Heineken. They have Heineken here.
I
Yeah.
saw it over there. That's Germany or?
I think Germany. Yeah.
Germany.
Pravi špricer.
Spritzer. That's mineral water, right?
Yeah.
Like this little
That's his
spritzer.
favorite drink right there. He's been drinking this every day, 24/7 forever.
Ja mislim da je ovo za Ameriku.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, that looks good. What is that?
That's a pljeskavica. So that's the tin beef that I was telling you about. How's the American French fry?
What is that called? Beef?
Yeah, beef. Hoćete veliki, a njima je mali tamo bio za njih.
Dude, that looks like the chicken that you made.
Možeš ovdje baš miješano.
El pollo que haces, mamá, se parece a eso.
Pollo fundido.
Chicken fillet.
So we're in Celic right now. This is the school that I went to for first and second grade right here, and I also finished I think 3 years of high school in this school right here.
crosswalks?
No, there's no crosswalks.
Jaywalk.
One red wine and one
But they
one
mean
white.
black. But they mean black and white. That's all they mean.
Yeah.
Like they don't care the brand.
So over here in Sunny,
This
that's what the restaurant is called, and it's on 2 floors. The second floor turns into a nightclub, like around 9 o'clock at
That's where I
night.
used to go after school.
I actually came here a lot when I was younger, going to school here,
If you
living
look
here in
very
Bosnia.
closely over here to my left shoulder, underneath the.
How's your experiences so far as in your second day in Bosnia? How do you like it?
What did I say?
Well, your sincerest fucking
I've been
experience.
sleeping most of the time.
Download your thoughts and her or what?
I've been sleeping most of the time.
Great interview, bro. Thanks for your kind words. You said a lot. Honey, so far today's your second day in Bosnia. How do you like it?
It's very interesting. It's very, lijepo. Ja volim puno moje dragi, moja snaha, moja tetka.
Nice.
On feed.
Fee. On your feet.
On je feed. Oh, lijepo. Da.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for your kind words.
Very beautiful.
But now, how's your second day in Bosnia?
I was called a gypsy for the first time today, so there's that. That's about it.
But someone got a good boomerang with that one.
So I think Preminger is so far my favorite beer in Bosnia.
I like the red one.
It's a really, the Tuzlansko
That one is
Tuzlansko pivo is really good as well. Sarajevsko I've heard is not
the
that
one
good.
that we had over at the first
from
restaurant we
Tuzla.
went to.
Yeah, the red one.
The Yellen.
Tuzlanska.
You don't like Tuzla?
No, I don't like
I-
Tuzlansko or Sarajevsko.
I think Tuzlansko is a great beer actually.
Yellen?
Živjele.
Življa. Oh fuck! No, I didn't get that right.
Close. So Stephanie got this Graševina kvalitetno vino. It's it says expensive wine. This wine is actually 12.5% volume of alcohol in it.
We're in Celic
So-
right now, right?
Yeah, this is Celic.
Interesting fact 101.
Why is this stupid internet not working?
So this is Bosnian specialty Doritos. So these are Doritos hot corn with a pepper right there. So they're hot corn Doritos and it has a pepper. So let's.
Yeah, go ahead.
There you go. They're way more crunchier than Doritos.
Chips. What do you?
They taste a little. I think they have way less cheese on them. Oops. Edit that part out. They have way less cheese than the American Doritos. But you can taste a little of the pepper on them. Not bad.
Go for it.
So this area it's not really big with mines because the main Serbian line was down to the town that we'll show you. As soon as we get off this mountain, that whole area was full of mines. Like crazy because that's where the two armies were stationed. My dad was on the front line down here. So after we escaped from here, he went to the next town and he signed up for the army in the next town, and then they put him on the front lines fighting. That's what they usually did. So people were fighting for their hometown. So if you sign up for the army and you're from here, they put you to the home. Yeah. Yeah. Plus because you know the area, you know, plus so you fight harder because it's your house that you're protecting. So he's saying that every sedmice, every week, they would at night they would cross the Serbian lines down there and come here. They would come behind the enemy lines right here and come here and see what was happening here in this town, and then come back through their lines and go back into Celic. They were spying, so he would in the middle of the night come here.
Nijedne kuće nije bilo, sve je srušeno bilo.
He said when he came here, when they did that one night, there was no houses here. Everything was burned, everything was destroyed.
A lot of snoring.
Daj čašicu ono drugu. No, it's okay.
Tequila i slično.
Yes. Svidla mu se rakija.
And so they think that
Kaže
we're from
da je
Mexico.
dobro i da nema.
They think that we're from Mexico. You want to take a picture with the monkeys?
Mexican. Yeah, Mexican.
No, I'm just kidding. It's a joke.
What am I doing?
You're smiling.
Oh, you know he's gay, right? What's up, guys? So we're back at the hilltop with everybody here
For the third time, I've got
for the third time today.
You have a beer?
So we're drinking, enjoying this beautiful view right here. Look at that. We got some beers, we got some meze. Šta ima Iran? Kako ti?
Drago mi što me snimaš.
Ej, meni je drago. Vidjet ćete YouTube. Imaš YouTube kanal?
Imam.
Who's John D? Are you serious? You married John D.
Oh, you're John D? There you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Who's that for?
For me.
That's for you?
Yes. And who buys to her?
Who bought that for you?
Amela.
Really?
Yeah. Moja draga.
Where the hell is my present? All right, so it's about, I don't know, maybe 8. Koliko je Amela sati? So it's about 9 o'clock p.m. here. We're still on top of this hill. As the sun is going down in the distance, it looks beautiful, man. Look at that. Lights are starting to come on. So it's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and this is how you start the morning off in Bosnia with a rakija.
Do be patient. What are you doing?
You're fine.
So we grabbed some breakfast here, the normal eggs.
We got some agada.
Argetta, bro.
Argetta is pretty good.
Yeah, this is the argetta. It's a very popular mainstay in Bosnia, but it's actually a horrible fucking food, as it's just a bunch of chicken parts that they were gonna throw away. They just put it all in the fucking blender, blend it, and then you make chicken spread out of it. It still tastes fucking amazing.
And then they have
These are
The real
organic, real eggs, and you see how yellow the yolk is right there. It's almost orange, and that's how you know that it's a great fucking cajonas.
Cajonas?
It's like cajonas are balls, eggs, right?
No. Huevos.
Oh, huevos. That's how you know it's really good huevos. When they're very, very orangey color. So these are plums right here. Look at that.
they're called ciruelas.
Ciguelas?
Ciruelas.
Ciruelas, yeah. This is the breakfast that we're having right now. We're having some eggs with some awesome homemade Bosnian bread. We got the chicken spread right here. We got some cheese. We got some sujuka, some old meat right there. We got some parizer. This is the chicken, and I'm pretty sure that's cheese in the middle right there. So this looks very good. This is my first breakfast here in Bosnia, so let's dig in.
As you can see here, day 31. We've been stranded in the wildlife of Bosnia. No food, no water. I beg for help. Por favor. Ya me quiero ir para atrás al Phoenix y jugar mis juegos. Yo no soy para esto el ancho. I beg para ayuda. We out, coach. Update, guys. Day 64. No food, no water. We're starving out here, coach. We're starving.
Please send help.
Wrong camera, this one.
Like for more.
This is for lighting.
4 more days. And I'm dead. I'm toast. I need more water. Please send help now, please.
We're in the middle of the Bosnia wildlife. I have been by snakes 4 veces, and it does not feel good at all. We are waiting for Mirza to get back from his vacation. He got lost in the forest with Stephanie and someone else, I don't know.
I repeat, we are very hungry. We need the water. We need to, you need to send help now.
Chuy, ¿cuántos días sin agua y comida?
7 meses.
¿Cuántos días sin agua y comida?
7 meses para llegar a América.
Es que no.
Recording?
Yeah.
Don't record. He's gonna get mad.
But we're giving.
Because it's a lot of footage. You have to quit. It's his
Por
battery.
favor, don't get mad at us. Update: 59 días sin agua y comida. Chuy, ¿cómo te sientes?
Oh, me siento bien, ¿y tú?
No agua y comida.
Es un placer estar aquí con ustedes.
Los changos no necesitan nada de agua, as you can see. Es todo bien para él, pero...
¡Ay, un bug!
Otro bug.
In the mountains of Bosnia, I don't know how to speak the language. I don't even know how to speak my own language.
Which one is your own language? Inglés o español.
If you really think about it, my mom is French, so...
Cama, ¿por qué? Yo no sé. Pero yo estoy en mi cama. Yeah, vamos.